the old school mixtape vibe. Old school.
Yeah.
It is. Wow. Nice touch. Look at that. I love that. So you take a little rooftop and add some pizzazz to it instead of making it unsightly. That's great for the people who, hello, who have that view from their room.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? I'm using my phone, so I can't use the mobile key.
Oh. Okay.
We use the regular key, but we do have mobile key. We'll use it another day.
Yep.
Getting in and out. Okay. All right, y'all. Oh, we have a doorbell. Okay.
Oh, we got a doorbell too.
There's a switch back here. So.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'll do it again. Oh, we keep that off.
Yeah, we keep that one off.
Sound like a fire.
Yeah, I don't like that one. I thought it was a normal doorbell sound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got more mixtapes.
Got the sink right out here. Is it different?
Oh yeah, so the sink is separate from
The
the
bathroom.
toilet and the shower.
Right.
Okay. So this is definitely accessible.
Yeah,
So
that's
if you're in a wheelchair.
Right. Yeah, look at the shower. You can tell that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look at the shower.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is good. Yeah, you got the bench. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Yeah, okay.
This is good.
Very nice. And of course you have your shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel as usual.
Yeah.
Everything is clean.
Yes. Nice. All it takes.
And dig the barn door. Now this is nice. This is a really big bathroom. Look at that.
Yeah, that's cool.
Barn door, I love that.
Yep.
Nice.
That is so cool. So where's the mirror? In the bathroom mirror. Don't have one.
You're right.
No mirror. I can't believe it.
Just have to use this one
Oh,
here.
this one in here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then here.
All right. But this is in the foyer, the little short
So
foyer?
this is the short foyer.
Yeah.
But at least you do have the mirror. Your safe is here. Ironing board.
Yes.
Yeah, this isn't
It's weird,
like a
but
hotel you would necessarily be in long term.
right.
But for a couple of days, for us, it's good.
It'll be fine.
They even they give you a steamer if you don't want to use the iron.
Right.
Your hair dryer is down here as well.
Right.
Okay. Yep.
And safe.
Nice size safe, nice and big.
Right.
Mhm. Decent,
Yep.
decent. Yeah. A few toiletries here.
Okay.
Makeup remover, your lotion, of course, hand soap. And I like this here. So this is like a little board area. You can stick reminders and things.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
All right.
Very sleek, modern room,
Right.
as you can see. And this is a nice kind of luggage stand with storage. The Book of Mormon and the Holy Bible.
Okay. They have both.
If you want to send out your dry cleaning.
Mm-hmm.
Another drawer. Okay. All right. And by the way, guys, we are in the Aloft Hotel in Columbus, Easton, in Columbus, Ohio. That's where we are. We have a coffee station, a little chiller, smart fridge. Okay. So you can turn it on and off. You can snooze it. You can do a quick cool. Okay, y'all. Let's get smart with it. That's nice. Everything is very modern and chic and clean and up to date. We have a little, this probably can move around if you wanted to. Footstool. Make the enemy your footstool. Oh, now this little nook right here, this is nice, guys. I love that. Very, very nice touch. So you have your couch, I suppose, and then, but it's also your eating area if that's what you want it to be.
Yep.
Cool. Okay. And our TV, of course. This is really nice. I love the space in here. I love the design. Look at the bedside drawer here. The storage. Don't forget me. That's cool. So whatever you put in here, you have a reminder in the drawer that says don't forget me.
Okay.
Nice touch, Aloft. Good job, y'all.
And what's this over here?
Let's see. Where? Okay.
Over there in the corner.
Okay, so it looks like we have what looks like an old school radio. And what is it? I guess it really is a radio.
Okay.
Yeah. What else we got? What Marriott will do sometimes because we're in their rewards, loyalty, whatever you want to call it, program. So we got a nice little gift bag on the way in. So let's just see what's in it. We have a bottle of water.
Ray, yay,
Whoop, whoop,
Ray.
whoop, 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 whoop. Some snackages, some pretzels.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And Mr. Chief, your favorite, a
Yes.
cookie.
Well, it's not chocolate chip.
Well, yeah, but we still like cookies.
Sugar cookie.
Mm-hmm. So that's
We'll take it.
nice. Yeah, that's really
We'll
nice.
take it.
And so let's just take a look at our view. Although we're not in downtown Columbus, we kind of feel like we are. The vibe and everything. Is this automatic? Am I about to tear this up?
I hope not.
I think it's okay.
What about over here on the wall?
Here it is, right here, y'all. See,
Oh,
that's why you
okay.
got to pay attention to what you're doing.
Okay.
I don't have on my glasses. I'm gonna just start pressing buttons. Nope. 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 Oh, how about up? The up arrow that I didn't even need glasses to see. That's terrible. I don't know what I didn't lit
They
up.
got a pizza shop across the street.
Okay. Pizza.
A Macy's.
Macy's.
Right there.
Ooh. Shopping
That's where we don't need to go.
within, and there's many other restaurants, and I think there's a movie theater, and there's lots to do here at Easton
That's why we came.
in Columbus. That's why we came.
Yeah.
So let's get at it. Let's see. What
So why don't we come down here?
Because Mr. Chief is celebrating a birthday.
Birthday
so
this
we
week.
Took a little trip.
So we took a little trip, a road trip. We
A
didn't.
road trip.
We decided not to go on another cruise. Our next cruise is in January. Right. So we decided
Mm-hmm.
just to come on down to Columbus for a weekend.
And here's a
Retreat.
nice touch.
What's that?
Look at this. Outlet.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. And some more plugins for
Yeah.
your USBs and stuff. So that's
Right.
cool.
Okay.
Very nice, guys.
Right on.
All right.
Okay. Is that it, Mr. Chief?
Yeah, that's it.
All right,
Thanks for joining us,
cousins.
y'all. That was a quick one.
Yeah.
We'll be back.
And what do we have going on? Anything? We still doing Pop the Balloon, trying to get that together as far as our second episode.
Yeah.
The first
on our other
episode,
channel.
Queen Planet
Yeah, if
LLC
you visit us
TV.
at Queen Planning LLC TV.
Right.
We have a Pop the Balloon or Go on a Date show. It's a dating show for Christian singles.
Right.
Yeah.
So
you
we're
wanna check
still
it out?
trying to cast men. We got women, but we need men.
Yeah, we do.
So men,
Yeah.
come on,
So
guys.
if you're interested, go to Queen Planning LLC TV on YouTube and get all the information in the sign up sheet.
All right, cousins. We'll see you later.
See you next time.